Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record 2K videos on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. To record a 2K video, we have to open the camera application, then open video mode by tapping on it, and then simply tap this icon in the top right corner of your camera and switch the mode to 2K. As you can see, we can only record at 2K resolution with 30 FPS frame rate. Fortunately, that's the maximum settings. And now all you have to do is just start recording. And the recording which you'll get will be in 2K video quality. In order to check the video resolution, we have to swipe up and make sure that this video is actually in 2K. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.